So, all right, guys. My question for you is, what is how much of the cylinder was filled up with the volume of the water of the sphere? Guess what? What's your answer? The answer should have been 2/3. The sphere filled up 2/3 the volume of the cylinder. So how's this going to help us? Well, again, we know that the radius of this particular sphere is r, the height is 2r, and we know that the volume of the sphere is about 2/3 of the cylinder. This is where the information we did earlier regarding the volume of the cylinder comes into play. So if the volume of the sphere is 2/3 the volume of the cylinder, therefore the volume is 2/3 of 2 pi r cubed. Remember, 2 pi r cubed was the volume of the cylinder. So if we actually multiply this out and try to simplify this, the volume of the sphere is simply 4/3 pi r cubed. And guess what, guys? That's the volume formula of a sphere. 4/3 pi r cubed. How do we get that? We know that the volume of a cylinder is 2 pi r cubed. We know the sphere is 2/3 of that cylinder. So 2/3 times 2 pi r cubed gets me 4/3 pi r cubed. So write this in your notes now. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. A lot of our answers will come out as either fractions or decimals. So I really want you guys to read directions, making sure that you guys follow them either by rounding or putting it in exact form. All right, guys. You guys will now start on the classwork. Your substitute teacher will now pass you guys the classwork. It's a half sheet that looks like this. I want you guys to do numbers 1 through 7 in your notes. After you have completed 1 through 7 on your notes, what I'd like you guys to do is to check your answers, and your answers are on Edmodo. Got it, guys? So after you guys finish your classwork, you guys can then start on the homework.